sure I would have passed it.
Oh man, now I remember this. I remember being good in this.
Okay? Good?
Yes, sir.
Multiplication.
Now we divide, right? Because what's the opposite?
So you, for y'all, I'm not ever gonna have I'm not gonna have a variable in the denominator spot. Alright, so let's just say x over 3 is equal to 5. First things first. First things first about this. What is happening between the x and the 3? Miss Savannah, what is happening between the x and the 3? Yes, it is a fraction. And what do fractions represent?
Division.
Huh?
Fraction.
Say it. Division, yes. Fractions represent division. So, this x right here is being divided by 3. And what is the opposite of division? Multiplication. Okay? The opposite of division is multiplication. This is very important for y'all, alright? Remember, with something like this, when multiplying, matter of fact, write this down next to your notes or underneath it. Star. Put a star right here. When multiplying.
Would you just do butterfly?
No, you right as like
No.
When multiplying.
No. You see the 3? The x you do divided
You
by 3. You do
must
multiplication by 3. That cancels that out.
multiply
The division cancels each other out. And then you multiply
your
one thing with the other.
denominator
So x equals 15.
on
Yeah, but I would still do butterfly.
to
Why?
both
Because you're not supposed to do that.
Yeah, but maybe
sides.
No.
Okay? I would say when solving. Instead of saying when multiplying, say when solving. That sounds better. When solving. When solving. You must multiply your denominator onto both sides, okay? Which one? Ms. Kirkendall. What?
Yes.
Which one is your numerator and which one is your denominator?
Yeah.
The numerator is the x and denominator is the 3.
Yes, this is your numerator. This is your denominator, okay? So, we are always going to multiply the bottom number on both sides, okay? So, what happens? You take the 3, put it on the side. Right there, boom. What you do to one side, you must.
Do to the other, so that's times.
So therefore, you multiply the 3 on both sides. The 3's cancel out, okay? The 3's cancel out, you bring your variable down, boom.
You write down 5 times 3 equals 3.
What is 5 times 3?
15.
15. Okay? Good?
Good. Can you do like an x, like an x plus 3 divided by 3, something like that? Aren't those like 2 steps?
Those are 2 steps. I'm gonna go into that next week.
Aren't like usually like you put like you do the plus 3 first, like you minus the 3, and then you do the multiplication. You know.
Yes, I'll go over that next week. Okay?
Mr. Conjure. I told you I remember this one.
Division.
It's just like you have to do like a little bit fewer.
I got you. Division. Division deals with other numbers. Division deals with pretty much dividing. So say you got 3x equal to 15. Okay? Now, whenever, I think we went over this when I was going over the order of operations. What happens when you have a number next to a variable? What does that mean?
Multiplication.
Say it louder.
Multiplication.
Okay?
It's like the thing in the
Whenever you have a number next to a variable, they are being multiplied. Okay? Whenever you have a number next to a variable, they are being multiplied. Okay? So just remember that. Alright? So just remember that. So, Campos, what's the opposite of multiplication?
Division.
My man. So therefore, in order for us to get this x by itself, what are we going to divide on both sides?
3.
The 3. What's next to it? The 3. Okay? We always divide the number that's next to it on both sides. Okay? What you do on one side, you do on the other. The 3's cancel out. Notice how all of these cancel out. Okay? You're canceling them out on one side. You're canceling them out on that side to bring it over to that side. Okay? You're canceling it out on this side to bring it over to that side. So therefore, your variable comes down.
That's why.
What is 15 divided by 3? 5. Okay? Alright? And this is, I know this looks really boring to all of y'all because most of y'all know this stuff already. But,
Yeah, can we just?
no, I can't give y'all the test just yet.
I will
Start
ace
learning.
it. I will get 12 out of 12.
Because I still got to go over the multi-step equations with y'all.
Man, steps are easy, bro. You do like that.
Let's start this off. Look, hey, I'm looking for growth here. Okay? If this is as easy as all of y'all claim it to be, then therefore I should expect A's on every quiz in the post-test after we get done.
Exactly.
Wait, for what step is that?
Everything.
All I needed is a bit of a restart to remember all of this.
Alright?
Give me a problem with the board.
So, your these worksheets that I'm passing out to y'all, the first 6 problems, your variable is on the left-hand side. Your variable is on the left-hand side, okay? For
It doesn't change anything.
no, it doesn't. For 7 through 12, your variable can be on either side of the equal sign, okay? Your variable can be on either side of the equal sign. And please, 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 please take the Berkshire rule into effect right here. All right? Remember that table I gave you, but Berkshire made it better?
What table?
Thank you, sir. Of multiplying and dividing negatives.
Oh, the one
Okay?
that Alpinos gave us that you ignored and then I
That's the one.
Oh, Alpinos gave it.
What are you on about?
Okay. Okay, so remember your little triangle. Okay? You got the plus up there, you got the minuses right there. Okay.
Whichever ones you're using, then whichever one is left.
Yes, yes, yes. Good job. Good job, Mr. Pravadis.
Trying to give other people the credit.
So, it is not yours. So, you might have examples. You might have stuff that looks like this. N minus a -4 is equal to -4, right? You might have problems like this, okay? Just to put this in perspective for you. What's up?
You can get negatives, right?
Yes. You can get negatives as your answers, okay? You might have something like this. What happens when you're subtracting a negative, Miss Howe?
Oh, you can do
You turn it into a positive. Boom. Okay? Yes. Now, let's solve still, okay? You have n plus 4 equal to a -4. How you gonna get that n by itself? Mr. Knuth? How you gonna get the n by itself right here? After we just made it a plus. What's the opposite of a +4?
A negative.
A negative. -4. What you do on one side, you must.
Do another.
They cancel out. You have n equal to.
-8.
Huh? -8. Yes. Good job. Please recognize the same sign sum. Okay? Same sign sum. All